Hi, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use Scratch. You'll see over here are the coding buttons, which you can drag over into this create space and move your little sprite around. So this little cat is called a sprite, but there's a lot of other sprites available. Let's try a jellyfish. So I don't want the cat, so I'm going to get rid of him. I'm going to just X him out. And I'm going to put this jellyfish in some ocean waters. So he looks happy there. So now that we have a sprite and our backdrop, we can start moving him around. So start with an event. So when I click the mouse, or when I click the green flag, the jellyfish will activate with different motions that I want him to do. So I'm going to have him glide. So you see I'm just dragging it and stacking it right underneath so they kind of make a nice blocking stacks. I'm also going to give him a sound. I think jellyfish like a sound. We'll do bubbles, but there's other ones, ocean waves, and you can also record one if you want to hear your voice. And I'm going to have him say hello. So, hello, I'm Jelly. We can test it out. You can click the green flag to test out what you're doing. I think I'm going to have him say something else. So I'm going to drag another button or block. I love Scratch. It's super easy and fun. So I'm going to let it wait for a couple seconds because otherwise it will be at the same time as the other button. And maybe I'll have another sound, see if that works. And we'll test it out. And maybe I'll also have him get motion. Glide again. Let's test it out. Nah. And there you have it. It's simple. A simple animated scene, but they can get a lot more complicated, as you can see with other tutorials available on Scratch. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.